Beardy Brews, AK Brett here. Another review I have for you by Brewdog. It's a jackhammer. I picked this up at Sainsbury's. Um, yeah, I remember having black jackhammer, the chili hammer, black hammer. When they released the hammer series, and I had this one, and the best before is this. But yeah, I had this. Can't remember. I think I had it on tap. 60 million postcards in Bournemouth, but I can't remember. But yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the ABV. The ABV is 7.2. Quite sessionable. That's what it looks like. Minus chill haze. Slightly hazy, lemony. Das white head on top. Yeah, slight hint of tropical notes. Yeah, we'll tuck it back and see what we'll get. Cheers. Oh, that's horrible. There is tropical and pine, and then it's that weird alcohol. If you've had double punk, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's not great. But yeah, cheers guys, and see you on the next one.